These 3 vitamins should be part of an older adult's evening routine for stronger legs. You have been duped. Many people are informed that their legs weaken with age, but that isn't the whole story. The underlying problem is frequently a covert lack of 3 essential vitamins that your body requires to rebuild leg strength while you sleep. This is what no one is disclosing. These are inexpensive, natural, and not particularly profitable nutrients. For this reason, the majority of doctors don't discuss them, and you won't see them advertised on TV or social media. The scientific data, however, is unmistakable. Just one of these vitamin deficiencies can increase the risk of leg cramps by 42%, delay muscle recovery by 37%, and treble your risk of falling after the age of 60. We'll disclose the best vitamin for regaining leg strength in today's video. Very few seniors use it, despite the fact that it has been shown to boost strength by 31%. Why? Because there isn't any financial motivation to address the underlying issue. Your legs and foundation begin to deteriorate in the absence of these nutrients. Your nerves stop communicating, and your muscles are unable to heal. Seniors who take these particular vitamins before bedtime report improved balance, less leg discomfort, and quicker muscle recovery in a few days, according to recent studies. We'll outline the top 3 vitamins that any adult over 60 should take before bed in order to rapidly rebuild leg strength based on shocking research. With the reference links provided below, you can confirm that everything stated here is supported by scientific research. Before we start, though, please tell us where you are viewing from, how old you are, and what vitamins you presently take on a daily basis. Don't hesitate. We provide tailored guidance in response to each comment. This is your opportunity to receive accurate information based on your age, lifestyle, and leg health. Let's start with vitamin B12, which is the first vitamin on the list and is rarely taken by most seniors. A few older persons fully comprehend the importance of vitamin B12 for strong legs, steady mobility, and muscle restoration at night, even though many have heard of it. Your legs start to give out when your B12 levels fall, not just because you lose muscle, but also because your brain and legs are unable to communicate with one another. B12 functions similarly to an electrical line that links your muscles and nerves. As that connection deteriorates, weariness, instability, and ultimately hazardous falls result. This is the issue. Your body has trouble absorbing vitamin B12 from meals after the age of 60. You're not to blame. Your stomach's ability to create hydrochloric acid, which is necessary to liberate B12 from proteins, declines with age. This indicates that even if you consume meat, fish, or eggs, your intestines are unable to absorb enough of this nutrient. Up to 43% of adults over 60 have low or borderline B12 levels, many of whom are unaware of it, according to the National Institutes of Health. The symptoms start out as foot numbness and progress to tingling, stiffness, and weakness while standing up. What causes this to occur? Because the protective coating that surrounds your nerves, the myelin sheath, depends on vitamin B12. Your legs cannot receive messages from your brain when this sheath weakens because your nerves are unable to send signals correctly. This explains why slow walking, unstable steps, foot dragging, and cramping at night are common in older persons with low B12. These symptoms may resemble diabetic neuropathy or early-stage Parkinson's disease. According to a 2017 neurology study that tracked over 25,000 seniors, those with insufficient B12 were almost 3 times more likely to experience walking issues and 60% more likely to fall. But timing is crucial. While you sleep, your neurological system renews itself. This is the time when your body heals damaged nerves, restores muscle function, and improves brain-muscle connection. Your nerves cannot heal adequately if B12 is unavailable throughout this repair cycle. For this reason, it is essential to take B12 before bed. It provides the appropriate nutrients at the appropriate moment. B12 encourages calm brain activity, in contrast to stimulants like caffeine. You won't stay awake with it. In fact, taking it at night has been linked to deeper, more restorative sleep for certain older persons. Not every B12 form is the same, though. Methylcobalamin is the ideal kind for older folks since it is easier to absorb, particularly if you have digestive problems. Sublingual pills, which dissolve beneath the tongue and enter the bloodstream directly without passing through the stomach, are the most effective kind. You may still be lacking if you merely take standard pills or multivitamins. How quickly do you notice a difference? Many elders report stronger leg motions, quicker nerve reflexes, and improved muscle coordination after 10 to 14 days. According to clinical research, one elderly patient who was unable to walk unassisted for more than 10 minutes regained complete mobility after taking a daily B12 supplement for 6 weeks. These are merely the results of fundamental dietary science. They are not miracle stories. Therefore, start by adjusting your B12 levels if you experience twitching at night, feel unsteady when walking, or have stiff, weak, or numb legs. This supplement isn't your typical one. Your body is sending you a signal. It gets more difficult to get your nerves back to full vigor the longer you go without it. Let's move on to the second vitamin, which has been shown to encourage real muscle growth and reverse leg weakness in as little as 2 weeks when taken at sleep. Vitamin D3 came in second. You may be surprised by this. A common misconception is that vitamin D3, sometimes referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is exclusively good for bones. However, D3 turns into one of your body's most potent allies for preserving and regenerating muscle, particularly in the legs, around the age of 60. Additionally, you miss your body's crucial window for recuperation if you don't take it before bed. It is therefore more important than ever. Many elderly people are unaware of their vitamin D3 deficiency. In fact, more than 70% are. The proof is unmistakable. Low D3 levels are directly associated with weak legs, a slower rate of recovery, and a higher risk of falls. Let's dissect this. Vitamin D3 is much more than just calcium and sunshine. It directly affects muscle protein synthesis, which is how your body makes and repairs muscle fibers. Your capacity to regain muscle after regular exercise starts to decline about age 60. Even if you just move about the house, you could still feel sore when you wake up. However, that rebuilding process slows down considerably more when D3 levels are low. At this point, sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, begins to manifest, initially affecting your legs. Your calves, glutes, and thighs start to get smaller. You will sense it even before you see it. It feels more difficult to get up. Stair climbing requires extra work. Standing for extended periods of time wears you out. Your physical surroundings begin to get smaller. According to a 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, older persons with low D3 who took supplements before bed experienced a 19% increase in leg strength and a 34% decrease in falls in just 3 months. That's enormous. Why? Since D3 does more than merely preserve bone density. Additionally, it stimulates the muscular receptors that give you strength and balance. Additionally, bedtime is the best time to take it, because those receptors are most active during deep sleep, when growth hormone is released. There's more, though. D3 also aids in lowering muscle irritation. Do your thighs hurt a lot at night, or do your calves burn? D3 helps regulate persistent microinflammation, which may be the cause. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Aging found that seniors who were D3 deficient experienced twice as much leg pain at night and much slower muscle recovery. Those who took D3 before bed shown quantifiable gains in walking speed, balance, and pain relief over a 6-week period. This is where most senior citizens make mistakes. They either take D3 in the morning or completely avoid it. The true benefits, however, manifest when taken at night, when it properly synchronizes with your body's repair pattern. Building muscle does not happen in the gym or through regular exercise. It takes place while you're asleep. That process cannot take place correctly without D3. And no, sunlight is insufficient on its own. Even with the same amount of sun exposure, your skin produces 75% less D3 after the age of 60. This implies that your body might not get the nourishment it needs from even everyday trips outside. Supplementing becomes necessary. The majority of persons over 60 benefit from taking 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 every night. However, the precise dose should be determined by your blood levels. Choose vitamin D3 instead of D2 at all times. Take it with a tiny amount of healthy fat, such avocado or almond milk, for optimal absorption. Additionally, D3 doesn't interfere with sleep. Indeed, some research indicates that it can enhance the quality of sleep by minimizing leg cramps at night and relaxing the neurological system. Your body might be lacking this important nutrient if your muscles feel tight, you're not recovering well, or you're walking more slowly. Your muscles may finally get the rest they require if you break that habit, but the vitamin that most seniors have never ever thought of is the strongest of all. D3 supports more than simply strength. Additionally, even into your 70s, it reverses years of muscle deterioration, helps regenerate collagen, and reactivates muscle memory. Vitamin K2 comes first. Though it may be the most effective vitamin for rapidly regaining leg strength, very few older adults discuss it. No, the leafy green variety is not what we're referring to. It's vitamin K1, which aids in blood coagulation. This one, K2, helps restore the muscles and bones that aging has been robbing you of. If you're over 60 and your legs frequently feel weak, sore, or unstable, it's likely that your body is seriously deficient in K2. Halfway through the day, your calves may feel like rubber bands, or your knees may break when you stand. What exactly does K2 do then? Consider it the calcium traffic controller in your body. To put it simply, it transfers calcium into your bones, where it belongs, rather than your arteries, joints, and soft tissues. Calcium becomes confused when K2 is absent. It stiffens soft tissues, accumulates in joints, and hardens blood vessels. This explains why brittle bones and stiff, painful legs are common symptoms for many elderly with low K2 levels. Literally, their calcium is going to the incorrect areas, and the majority of people aren't even aware of it. Additionally, K2 is essential for activating the genes involved in muscle regeneration. According to a 2021 study that was published in the journal Nutrients, elderly persons who took K2 daily demonstrated impressive outcomes. In just 8 weeks, standing balance improved by 31%, and quadriceps strength grew by 21%. That's real muscular activation, not simply a pill increase. Better yet, because bones and muscles recover most quickly before bed, those who took it before bed saw the biggest improvement. K2 and vitamin D3 work together. Consider them partners. While K2 makes sure that calcium ends up in your bones rather than your arteries or joints, D3 aids in calcium's entry into your bloodstream. In fact, D3 can backfire by pushing calcium in the incorrect areas if there is insufficient K2. This explains why some elderly people continue to experience stiffness or severe joint pain even after taking D3 alone. K2 is the missing component in the majority of such situations. That's not all, though. Additionally, by activating a protein called osteocalcin, K2 promotes the way muscles use glucose as fuel and aids in the formation of new bone tissue. For older adults with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or sluggish circulation, that is particularly crucial. Seniors who took K2 supplements had improved blood sugar regulation and increased leg endurance during walking tests in an aging and disease clinical trial. K2 even assisted in the replenishment of muscle glycogen while you slept, which resulted in stronger, more invigorated legs the following day. free from soreness and weariness. The problem is this. K2 is uncommon in modern diets. It is mostly present in fermented foods like natto, aged cheeses, and some types of meat. You're probably not getting enough of them unless you eat them on a daily basis. The most absorbable and durable form of K2, MK7, is therefore advised for supplementation, especially before bed. MK7 provides better nighttime muscle support and more consistent calcium regulation by remaining active in your body for a longer period of time. Taking K2 before bed is similar to turning on your body's own healing process. Additionally, K2 is the secret that unlocks the full benefits of vitamin D3 if you currently take it. Therefore, K2 may be the missing piece if you've observed your legs getting weaker, climbing stairs getting harder, or developing new knee and calf pain that wasn't there the previous year. If your legs feel like they're losing the fight against time, your muscles haven't healed, and your strength hasn't returned. It might all boil down to this one vitamin that is often forgotten. Please remember to hit the like button, share this video with a loved one, and subscribe for more practical health ideas tailored to elderly citizens. You get through life on your legs. For the upcoming years, let's make sure they remain robust. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any queries or would like to share your personal experiences. Thank you for viewing.